go for a small valedictory session. May I request to Arnav, please come on the stage, Mr. Sarkar, VP Sarkar. And do chair diye da khali. Dr. Roy is there, I think. Dr. Roy. Yeah.
Mr. P.K. Sen. May I request Madam Meeta Sen to come to the dais? Please. ধরছি তিনটে স্টেপ ওই তো স্যারের পাশে So, I welcome to you all in the last session, the valedictory session, and request Mr. P.K. Sen to start the session.
Every good thing to end, all through this, there was a fantastic seminar in the sense like it is, first thing is always it is on time, which Vishnuda always tells me. So it is good that it is all points are covered. technical sessions. But only one thing I'm missing, we all are missing, is Mr. J.K. Chatterjee. Joyantuda, not a single day left when he did not call me at least 2 to 3 times what is happening and all, because due to his medical some conditions and issues he could not make it. However, he spoke to Arnav, spoke to many, spoke to me also. So he was missing. Even Sundar Raman was telling if Joyantu sir is there, I said he could not come, but he may come in the afternoon. But I told him it is because of his, there is some change in medicine, maybe that is reacted or something. He had some leg pain. We are missing him. But I think we will hear from you. We'll also hear from Vishnuda. And also, of course, vote of thanks will be by Arnav. And if any point that somebody will raise, you will do it.
Thank you, Pratish. Good afternoon. For the day, we have listened to very, very good, interesting, and covering ferroalloy subject widely on various papers. It has been told that ferroalloy considered a very important item for making steel. We don't have any raw material practically except chrome ore. We are importing iron ore, raw material and others, but still we are competitive, we are exporting, and that's a very good thing that India is very self-sufficient, especially in manganese alloys and also chromium. As we have a seminar, we hardly know any other seminar which deliberates on ferroalloys in the country so much, and we are really proud that this perhaps 6th seminar, and the papers in all our previous seminars as well as today's seminar, you must have found there is a very, very interesting papers have been read out, and not only ferroalloys, the entire gamut of technology and green ferroalloys making to other subjects, including hydrogen, use of hydrogen and energy. Especially we are thankful for the people who came here and presented papers as well as through webinar who have given, like Mr. Sujit Sengupta and others. And I'm sure that with all your help, our endeavor on ferroalloy seminar will continue. So your suggestions are very important for us so that we can continue in this, our journey of ferroalloy seminar. Thank you.
Yeah, before, Arnav goes for a vote of thanks, I want to thank Mita because she's been tolerating me for many days, at 2 o'clock she'll say, why don't you come to sleep? But I thank her in this. Maybe Dr. Roy would like to say something, or Mita Sen would like to say something.
Thank you, Pratish. Thank you, everybody, and good evening to all. Actually, I love to attend this steel tech seminars, though I'm not a person of steel, but of steel sector. But actually, I get to learn a lot of things, and I could acquire a lot of knowledge. And today's seminar was very interesting. And even though I was not very well, Mr. Sen, he always encourages me. He asked me to come. So I came. I felt very happy that at least I could make it to the seminar. It was very good. I also thank all the organizers also of this Steel Tech. I had to make it so good. And all the people who have come here, they have a so good audience and all.
Thank you. I was not very sure if she'll be able to make it because few days back only she was difficult in walking. Actually, she was under physiotherapy for continuous 21 days. Now she is good that she is here and is good. And Dr. Rai would like to say something.
Well, every good thing has an end. So we have come to the end of this session of today's international seminar on ferroalloys and upstream and upstream industries, present status and future outlook. Well, ferroalloys plays a very important role, and since morning we have listened to many of the things. What is the role of ferroalloys? What are the problems of ferroalloy manufacturing in India with respect to raw materials, with respect to energy consumption, with respect to environmental aspects, and all these things we have learned. since the morning. We have nice presentations scattered with 3 technical sessions we have. We have a very nice panel discussion where all these issues have come up. It is good that Steel Tech, in every year they organize 2 seminars every year, sometimes during this period in April and sometimes in October. So for last couple of years, or couple of seminars they have organized on ferroalloys, mostly on ferroalloys, and I hope in the next seminar they will take up another new issues, another emerging issues in the steel making, because steel, as you know, in India is growing very fast, and almost in a couple of years' time will be catching up about 230 million ton, if not 300 million ton in 2030. So, best wishes to Steel Tech, and thanks to Mr. Pritheshan, Mr. Sarkar, Arnab, and others. Mr. Chatterjee could not join because of his ill health. Mr. Chatterjee also worked very hard for Steel Tech in organizing the seminar. Thank you very much, and wish Steel Tech all the success. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Ray. Actually, Steel Tech, as you said, that we do 2 seminars here in Kolkata. One focused on ferroalloys, the one like this one, another on steel focus, that sometime in September, October, and Arnav will mention you when the next one is coming. But last year, in 2025, we did one more seminar on C4, that is coal, coke and coal chemicals. That was done on 21st November 25 at the ITC Bhubaneswar. And it was very well attended, not only from domestic, all steel producers mostly were there. In addition to that, there are people from many countries such as Austria, China, Germany, Finland, USA, and a lot of foreign delegates are there. Like here we have people from overseas, like I mentioned Finland and USA, because of turbulent condition in the world. Many people could not come, but we hope in our next seminar other will come. And if before we go to Arnav for proposing vote of thanks, any question or any observation from the audience? Dhruvo, or I think he always tells, is Dhruvo around? Yeah. Or anybody, Riti, anybody?
Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful seminar, very good papers were presented. And it is a very topical thing, ferroalloys, because, see, it's an integral part of the steel making. And since my long association, my entire life career association has been with the steel industry. Now, I'm very much into skilling, and my most concern is with the new technological changes which are apparent and coming. It is coming, and we have to skill the manpower, upskill the present force. But my question keeps on coming to my mind that hydrogen, we are talking so much of hydrogen to be used for green steel. How much hydrogen can be produced for such huge 300 tons and all these things which we are thinking? We are thinking of logistics. We are thinking of coming of the raw material, going of the finished products. We are giving more importance. But also, is hydrogen the only route, or that we have got a huge capacity of coal through the DRI method, if we can, capture the gas and use it for downstream industries also. Is hydrogen the only way for green steeling, or we should use the huge natural resources of coal, thermal coal, which we have for producing electricity, more electricity, and capturing the gas and putting it for downstream products? These are all the questions which keep on coming, but we have such wonderful brains and technologists here that should be keeping thinking on all these things. And we are here. I always say, if you want to know of skilling more, IISSC is at your door. So we are here. Our CEO sir is here, Mr. Diptendu Bhattacharjee. Mr. Banerjee was here since morning, and his heart is with steel plant and steel making. So we are all here, sir. If anything you need from us, we will do our best, that we can guarantee. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dhruvo. And good that this time, Mr. Bhattacharya, CEO of AASSC, he presented, and we found a lot of interest in the audience, as well as a very important thing. We'll do something which is going forward so that, industry gains. That is the purpose of these seminars. And Dhruvo, what you are asking, that is the one actually people are working on. But I'll just give you a small example, not that exactly the steel, but the, other side. When we are in Kharagpur, when Mr. Bhattacharya was saying the Russian computer used to be there. Now the power of the computer which was there, now it is there in the mobile. So therefore, once the brain and money is put, research is put, it definitely improves. Once people are putting their brain into it, I'm sure something will come out, something gradually will come out, but it will not come over of the year next day or something. So people are working, like Sujit mentioned, and people are working on this, JSW working on this, coal gasification and all this. There are a lot of things will come. We have a lot of coal reserve, there's the working is on. Any comment from SID? I think Riti is there, Riti. Yeah, Riti.
Hello. I'm very new to ferroalloys, so I've never worked on ferroalloys actually. And Joyantada keeps on telling me, Riti, what can we do from digitalization, from use of IoT and AI in ferroalloys? And today, so whenever I come to this event, and today's event particularly was so informative, it actually showed me in all the different areas we can actually work on digitalization and use of Industry 4.0 in this technology. And I think, every presentation was good. I want to, thank you for inviting us and so that we could become a part of this session. One thought process I was thinking, if we could also have one kind of, some kind of, what should you say, workshop kind of sessions, make groups, one at least, maybe say 1 hour or so, so that there is brainstorming on the topics that were discussed today, wherever there are pain points, right? And we come up with, kind of conclusions that we can give back to the industry and we take it further.
Well, coming to a point, at this moment, production of whole steel through green hydrogen is a dream. It's a dream. And whatever you say, we cannot achieve this. I'm not talking on pessimistic way, but you cannot achieve this within 2070. It is impossible. So what we have to do, we have to go stage-wise. We have to first go to the gray hydrogen, and then slowly we have to transform this thing to green hydrogen. As you rightly told, that we cannot discard the coal as such, just right at this moment. So in this regard, the DRI technology, which is based on a coal gasification-based DRI, because natural gas is not available in the eastern part of the country. Okay, so you have to gasify the coal, produce the carbon monoxide and hydrogen, and then use this carbon monoxide hydrogen in a shaft reactor, normal mid-range shaft reactor or HOL reactor to produce DRI in the eastern part. And JSPL has done a great work in this area. They are already operating 1 million ton of DRI plant through coal gasification through Sesol process, and they are putting up the second one very shortly. So this is the right approach. Rotary kiln DRI doesn't have much future in this part of the country because it's highly environmental pollution. It is creating high environmental pollution. So slowly this rotary kiln DRI, which is very small in capacity of maximum 500 TPD or per unit, which will not be successful in long run.
Yeah.
In
Dr. Rai,
near future,
can I say, because we need to leave this year one.
Let's just one minute.
So that, we can discuss on that.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yep.
So what I feel, in the coming future, the whole fuel will be coming from the ammonia. Okay, ammonia will be used as fuel, and the carbon monoxide and hydrogen will be used for producing the chemicals. So this will be the strategy or the direction. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I think now we propose a vote of thanks. Thereafter, the people who are there, we can assemble, just take a photo. Thank you.
Well, in the last session, I have got the job for thanking you all. I thank from my heart to all of you who have come all the way to attend the seminar. I hope you have all liked the seminar and would like to come here again in our next event. I thank the hotel management who has given us the venue to make this successful event, and a very good catering and food we received from them. I thank our partner who has made the stage and other arrangements, sound arrangements in this venue to make this event successful. Thanks to the advertiser, thanks to the sponsors, and thanks to the delegates who have come all the way for this seminar. Our next event is on 18th of September. Please note the date, 18th of September, in the same venue on steel. The detailed subject will be announced on a later date. But I would request you all to book your calendar for the date so that you come here again and we meet again here for the next event. Thank you once again, and the tea and snacks are there in the tea and snacks are waiting outside. Please take, before going home, the tea and snacks, and I request you all to come to the dais for a group photograph before we depart. Before you depart, please come. Please come. নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে যান, এদিকে আসুন। এক মিনিট, ওটা রাখ।